The greedy dog. Once upon a time, in a village, there lived a dog who was very greedy. He would always wander around in search of food and would eat whatever he found all by himself. Because of this selfish nature, the other dogs in the village started avoiding him. One day, he found a big bone. Delighted, he thought, "Why don't I take this to a quiet place and enjoy it in peace, so no one else can snatch it from me?" Thinking this, he started walking toward the forest outside the village. On his way, he came across a river with a narrow bridge. Holding the bone tightly in his mouth, he began to cross the bridge. When he reached the middle, he looked down into the clear water and saw his own reflection. But he mistook it for another dog with a bone in its mouth. Driven by greed, he thought, "If I can snatch that dog's bone too, I'll have two bones." Thinking this, he opened his mouth to bark, and as soon as he did, his own bone fell into the river and drifted away. Now he had no bone at all. Feeling sad, he thought, "If only I hadn't been greedy, I would still have my bone." Moral: greed only brings loss. We should be content and happy with what we have.
Thank you for watching. If you found the story interesting, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel to become a part of our YouTube family.